video. Guys,
Hello.
they all just subscribe to the channel.
Hôm nay mình gặp YouTuber
Nói là Chan ơi bạn ơi. Nói là Chan bố mình đi.
160 người
Nói đi bạn ơi.
160.000 người đấy.
And then we got the cameraman over here.
Ê, chú ơi chú. Lên lên.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. High school? Okay.
Secondary school.
Nhanh lên không lại về trường.
Đâu lại.
Năm ơi. Nguyên chúng ta
I tell you, they're so friendly here. I got 4 more subscribers to the channel, Mr. Clemens, just by walking around the temple here. It's overcast. Oh, God, this weather's amazing.
Traditional.
Okay. Oh my God, look at this.
My friend.
Now they're all
My
coming.
friend.
Get them all to subscribe. Oh my goodness.
Hello.
Hello.
Where are you from?
Las Vegas.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah.
YouTuber. YouTube.
Oh.
Where's your phone? Hello. Look at my photo. YouTuber.
YouTuber.
Yeah, where's your phone? Your phone?
YouTuber.
Uh-huh.
Wow.
Oh! Where's your phone? I'll give you my channel.
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
What's your channel?
Very good. Hold, take a picture.
Where are you from?
Las Vegas. Welcome, Al Thomas here. Thank you. I'm so excited. My new book just got released on Amazon called The Entrepreneurial Mindset to Wealth. It's going to help you understand how to make the gap from here to where you want to go in 2026 and beyond. You're going to see some of the things that I did to learn from my billionaire mentors that have helped me become who I am today. And I'm going to talk about real estate in there when I bought my first property. I'm going to talk about my mentors in there. It is so jam-packed with information you're going to learn from, and it's going to help you become better and stronger. The benefits are you don't have to do things I had to go through to get where you want to go. Think about it. For a book like this, you're going to get so blessed with so much information. I would buy 3 or 4 if I were you and give your 2 best friends. It's going to be a great thing that you can talk about and converse with between you. Hey, listen, also leave a book review. I love to get a book review. Make it good. As well as if you send me a picture of you holding the book, I want to get that out there so people can see how you're enjoying the book as well. Let's bless others. Pay it forward. Take care. And God bless. Remember, with a closed fist, you can't give nor receive. Let's give it to the world. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye. There we go. Okay. One more. Very good. Thank you.
What's your channel on YouTube?
Where's your phone? You got a telephone?
Yes, I'm from Vietnam.
Where's your phone?
I'm from Vietnam.
No, where's your telephone? Your phone. Go give me a channel. Get telephone.
Wait a minute.
Okay. Man, I got some more. Look at this place. I'll probably get a 40. Hello. How you doing? Thank you. Where's the telephone?
Your channel.
My channel? Here. Where's your phone? Let's see.
Okay.
Camera. Where's your camera?
Please. Oh.
Oh, let's see.
Thank you. I will surprise.
Oh, okay. Yeah, bye. Thank you. Subscribe to the channel.
Good luck in Vietnam.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So friendly. Bye-bye.
Take a nice look in Vietnam.
Huh?
Take a nice look in Vietnam.
Yeah, hold on. Let me take a shot. Picture.
Take a look.
Picture. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi.
Thank you.
Oh, man. This is absolutely amazing.
Have a nice trip.
Okay. So, I don't care what nonsense you might hear about people over here, but everybody's just... Oh, they all must be taking class pictures or something. Look at this. And some more guys.
Đu đi up YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube.
Nhân nổi tiếng. Up. Famous. Popular.
Where's your telephone? Here.
Biết rồi, có rồi.
Follow.
Follow, subscribe rồi.
Follow.
TikTok.
No TikTok.
Do you love TikTok?
YouTube.
Biết rồi mà.
YouTube.
Biết rồi. Yo. My friend.
My friend.
Take photo. Take photo.
Okay.
Đi trò. À.
No TikTok, but YouTube. Here.
Thăm nào.
Here we go.
150.000.
Picture. Oh, I love it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Here.
Ai thua mất à?
Here you go. Subscribe.
Thank you. Kênh YouTube.
Yep. And subscribe. Help everybody subscribe. Let you know, Miss Clemens, they're all subscribing. So I gave them a card. You know, there's no such thing as a barrier in language, just love. And show a smile. Look at my friends. Picture. Good. Thank you. Give them they're all subscribing. Yeah. Okay. And cool. Good. Very good. They all subscribed. Show me. Let me see. He just subscribed. Miss Clemens. I got 40 of them already. Look at another one. Subscribe.
Mày subscribe mày ơi. Subscribe. Bao nhiêu đăng ký?
Subscribe. I got a whole new over here. Oh my God, look at those guys. They all subscribe to the channel, Mr. Clemens. Oh my God, Vietnam. You're right. 1, 2, 3, Vietnam. Man, I done ran out of cards. I got to reload. I got some more in the car. I haven't got to the temple yet. Oh my goodness, I haven't got to the temple yet, and I probably got 40 or so subscribers right there today. Just walking around. YouTuber. All right, here we go. Oh wow, look at this. Look at that. It's amazing. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Hi. And oh, we got some more stairs to climb. This place is amazing. And like I said, people here are so friendly. Everybody, kids, babies, adults, senior citizens, everybody is so warm and inviting. Not like America and other countries. Let me say that. Oh, I don't think I can go inside here. But let's turn around so you can see some of this. Yeah. Isn't that amazing? Look at that altar. Wow. Wow. Just give you a look. Stairs I went. Go around the circle. Wow. Look how old that roof is. I don't know if you could see it real well. The place is amazing. You know, I thank God that I got involved in businesses and worked real hard so I can afford the better things as life goes on. And like I said before, it's a great big world out here, but a lot of us, we don't take advantage of it. Oh my God. One more time. Yeah. I think this might be a graduating class out here or whatever, but because they're all in uniform. They're calling my name Thomas. The girls. Hello, picture. Picture. All right, let's go a little higher so we can see these guys.
Đang ngả rồi. Đừng có thấp quá. Đều lên. Hai chân đều nhau ra. Đúng rồi, như vậy nha.
Hi. All right. What a blessing. Young kids, eager. Oh, let's go down this way. She's over there taking pictures with her mom. Don't want to interrupt that. Man, these temples are gorgeous. Oh, can't go that way.
Understand?
Don't understand.
Where are you from?
Las Vegas, in the United States, USA.
USA.
No.
Không hiểu. Don't
Don't
understand.
Don't worry about it. It's okay. Hi.
Indonesia.
Indonesia.
No, don't understand. Las Vegas, Nevada, US. Okay.
Thank you.
Beautiful family. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Cháu biết là
Man, everybody's so friendly. Guys walk up to you. Where you from? Where you from? You don't understand. They're like, okay, okay. Oh, look at this pond, this lily pond down. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, now I've got to go through these bunch of kids over here. This lady's husband is in the oil business, and she speaks English, and she met him at a restaurant in Hanoi. Here they are right here. The lady I stopped to talk to earlier. Hi. Hello. 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 Oh. All right, we'll get my driver. Bye-bye. Oh. Amazing. Hello. Oh, we got another little group of kids here. Let's see if we can get those kids. And the parents. Oh, I'm messing that picture up. Oh wow, this one's military. Got his military suit on. Wow. Both of them got their military suits on. It's amazing. Must be a graduation of some sort. Look at this. And I'm gonna miss it. My new name is Hello. Oh, her dress is beautiful. Look at that. Oh my God. It's absolutely beautiful. All right, off to our next location.
Oi.
Hello.
Hello.
All I say is YouTube need to jump on you. Okay, where's my driver? He was here a minute ago. Hi. Hi. Where? Is it the vehicle?
Bảo ơi, chụp lại
Hello. YouTuber.
Yes.
Yeah, YouTuber.
Yes.
YouTube.
YouTuber.
Yeah.
How many subs you have?
Huh?
Subscribe you have? How many? How many?
160,000.
Wow.
Oh!
Cool.
Here, where's your phone? Subscribe.
Yes. Thank you. Sorry, I don't have a phone.
You don't have a phone.
Can I get on channel name?
Yeah. Here. Here, scan it. Where's your camera? You can't scam, bro. He said that real cool. Go to Al Thomas official.
Thằng này biết scan là cái gì không? Không có wifi.
You don't have Wi-Fi. That's okay. That's okay. So keep it together. ALTHOMAS official.
Xin tên ông.
Okay. Yeah. You're welcome, bro. You're welcome. Man.
YouTuber 6.
Here I got.
YouTuber này.
Here.
YouTuber này.
I got one left.
YouTuber này. 600.000 sub ấy. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Ông là YouTuber đấy. 600.000 sub đấy.
And she can subscribe. Oh, there she is. Here, subscribe. Okay. All right. Bye-bye. Man, I done ran out of cards. I got to go back to the cart and reload. I must have gave. Well, you saw what happened. YouTuber. This is YouTube. And it's absolutely madness. I love it. Hi. All right. Off to our next destination.